Well, good day, paper engineers in training. As you can see, I am building a basic box here. This has got heavy paper in between here because this is going to carry a lot of weight. Okay, so then you laminate your pieces onto the top of it because you got to have enough strength that it's going to hold itself together. The thing about jewelry is it's heavy from the top down. And so now what I am doing is, as you can see, I have sanded all this down. I've covered it with paper towel, strips of paper towel. Now what I'm doing is I'm covering it with this here grocery bag. Okay, because what I've got to do here is I have to raise all the low spots up so they're all even. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is, I'll show you this really quick once I get this piece on. You have to raise up all these low spots to equal these ridges that are being sanded into here. Okay, and one of the things that you have to do is, once you get all these low spots filled in, then you cover this again with a white sheet. Now see, once I get all of these brown ones on here, then I'm going to put a sheet of white paper on here, and not a full sheet. It'll be cut into strips, okay, and glued on, because otherwise the paper stretches and it just doesn't work good. But anyway, once you have this, see, now I made a new sanding block just for this. Here it is. Okay, these are my large pieces for, flattening stuff. But anyway, this sanding block, I just made this yesterday. And as you can see, it will sand this whole thing now. And that's what you want to do. Once you get all of these pieces back on here, then you sand it down. Then you put the white strips on. Then you sand it down. And you see where your high and low spots are, because you want your table, or this part right here, to be absolutely flat. Doesn't have to be. For me, it has to be absolutely flat, because I'm kind of, I guess, ADHD that way, or autistic or something. I don't know. I'm some kind of, anyway, I have to do it. And so that's what I teach you guys. So take care, Paper Army. Jewelry box number 1.